Alright, Banana, ready?
Mom's trust Band-Aid.
Nice, baby.
Hurt better than store brand.
Like this. Like this, Mama.
Oh, man.
Ready?
That was the best day
Right.
today.
Nice. Close your mouth. Keep your mouth closed. Quit.
Those big deep songs. And that brownie.
Keep your mouth closed. What are you doing? Like this.
Good time.
That
Should
is.
take place seriously. Nourish it.
Close one eye.
The goodness of whole grains, no high fructose corn syrup, and
Which one?
25% less sugar than the leading
There you
sweet
go.
snack.
Open slowly. Alright.
With Mederma, you don't have to live with your scars. Because clinically proven Mederma lets you do something about it. So you can get back your confidence. Move on with your life.
Put one hand on
And
your head.
leave your scar behind.
Put one hand on your head.
So my uncle called and he said,
Yes, left same time.
Go like this.
So I'm like, oh, do you want me to take you to a doctor? He's like, no, I'm going to
Now
look up
squeeze.
your symptoms.
Now smile.
I said, your symptoms are you're dizzy and you're losing your balance. So he said,
Alright, give me big eyes.
because my arm is numb.
Give me big eyes.
Use your good arm and dial 911. Stroke's no joke.
I think I got it.
Someone you love.